we're back for our countdown. We have how many days left? How many days have we got left? 7 after today? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Yes, today we've got 8 days left today. Tomorrow will be 7 days, and then 6, and we're less than a week. And oh my goodness, are y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's see what's in this sock right here. Let's see what's in this sock right here. 45 millimeter rotary cutter from Amazon. Olfa makes them, and probably if you have a cutting mat or if you've quilted anything, you've got a rotary cutter of some sort. Fiskars make them. Kia, K-I-A, Kia makes them. The one on Amazon from Kia is $18.61 the day that I made out these little slips of paper. I also have a 60 millimeter rotary cutter, and it's the one I reach for the most. I don't really know why, but I do. Let me grab them. Alright, here's all my rotary cutters except for one, the 60 millimeter, and I'm not sure where it is. It's laying over there. But this one is an Olfa, and it's got the quick thing here, and it's got the quick release on the back. You just pop this thing right here loose. This is a 45 millimeter. And my 60 millimeter is like this one here, okay? Then you've got these. I've got actually 3 of these that have a lock on them so that you cannot open them, and they're the squeeze trigger ones. And I like these too. I do. The thing about these is if you've got littles around, they automatically close back and you can't do what I did and slice your thumb open or your finger, because I've done that by leaving this one open and laying it down. I have. These keep you from doing that, so they're a little safer, but there are certain things you cannot use these with, like your strip ruler. This won't go down in there. It doesn't work well. But I've got 3 of those. Tells you how much I really like that one, doesn't it? These are some of the first ones that I got. This one right here's not had a blade changed in it. It's long that blade's rusted. Then I've got this little one right here that's a 28 millimeter, I do believe, and it's got the quick release on the back of it. And this one is really good if you're cutting a lot of circles or around curves and things like that. There's this one. And then I've got this one. I saw a lot of people liked these. This one is KIA, and they're made in Japan. And I've actually got one of my Guggenheim, is that what they are, that make the scissors? Rotary cutter blades on this one. This one is a 45 millimeter one. But it's got on the back here, soft or hard, and that's how much pressure you put down. And this one does not open until you lay it down. So when you lay it down and put it up against something, it opens up. And when you pick it up, it goes back. So it's kind of got a safety mechanism in there already built into it. I really like this one a lot. But I find that I just pick up my 60 millimeter the most, especially if I'm cutting strips and things like that. I use it the most because the blade is bigger, so it goes down through the ruler and through all the layers of fabric a lot easier. But like I said, if you leave them open and you lay them down and you put stuff on top of them and you're trying to find them, you run your hand up under it, yes, you will slice your finger. You will. So that's my disclaimer today. Be sure that you close your rotary cutters before you lay them down to save fingers. See, there, I did the same thing right there. I did it right there. I just, you know, that's me. That's just me. That's just a little old me. I'm going to show y'all what I've been working on. We're going to do a video on this. Look at this cute little doggy I drew. Isn't he precious? And I've got this right here. We're going to do this little sweatshirt. Yes, we are. So, this is the next long video we're going to have. Will be of this little doggy. I'm going to do it tomorrow with you all. I am. But I hope y'all like my sweatshirt, because you're going to see this in all of our little short videos, because I'm going to try to get them all filmed. Ooh, I know, but you'll get them one a day, so no worries. But I am going to try to get them filmed and get them up, because things are starting to get hectic. And we're going to wrap gifts one day. Yes, we are. I've got all these gifts to wrap and gift baskets to make and stuff. And we'll bring y'all along, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Yes, I am. So we got lots of fun stuff to do to get ready for Christmas, and it's almost here, and there's a bug on me. A ladybug. Woo! Lordy. Ladybug. Crawling on me. I like them, but I don't want them to crawl on me. Do you? I don't. I do not. So, that's that for this one are our rotary cutters. If you don't have one, they range in price from $10 and up. Some of them run into $50, $60, $70. I don't have an expensive one. As you can see, this is what I've got. Mine are all the Alpha except for the one 45 millimeter that's a Kia, whatever you want, however you say it. I don't know how you say it. But anyway, that's going to be all for this one. Remember, come back tomorrow for day number 18. We're almost through.